Next up, golden ticket for crown. In this, we need to extract a Building 21 access card. Your best way of doing this is by taking down airdrops, or collecting airdrops rather, until you find the Building 21 access card, which will drop once every few airdrops, for example, and extract with this. Obviously, you can find it on other players, but you'll be most likely to find it from airdrops. Let's go for it. Okay, so as you can see, I need to buy a Building 21 key card and extract with it. We can go ahead and buy one instead of having to find one, which I could have thought of earlier, but I didn't. So we'll go across and buy one from this buy station that I saw it at, and we should be set. It's 30k for the key card itself, but do note you will still need to find a buy zone with one available. There we go. DRC Building 21 key card bought. Let's go ahead and get out of this map. So calling in the exfil chopolopter. I am getting sniped at, so that is pretty fun. Hopefully we can get out of here just in time. And let's hide here in the corner. Just like that, we've now finished the extract Building 21 key card mission, golden ticket. So thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.